Hey.
Hello. We're in Cumming, Georgia, at the city center for the spring market.
So come along with us and see what we can see here, because we are
Loving
the real world.
Yeah, he has growing up. I got it.
Hello.
Hey, how you doing?
Good, and you?
Doing good.
Well, he's showing you the historical
You wouldn't have
fixtures.
a
So
seat.
what areas are they?
Let go
Yes.
if it start going too high, okay?
Oh, I'm not floating away, okay? I don't think there's any danger.
Okay.
Southwest Georgia, that's my former father-in-law and his two older brothers.
Oh.
And I collected their stories for 10 years about growing up desperately poor.
Right, right.
With a psychopath for a father and a mother who had no interest in raising her kids. They pretty much had to raise each other during
Right.
the Great Depression.
Wow.
And it's about how they got through it.
And I learned a lot about moonshine.
Yeah, you learn about moonshine. You learn about the POW camp that was
Yes.
in Colquitt in the 1940s. Where,
See, I didn't even know that.
yeah, where the first German soldiers who were captured during World War II. The Africa Corps in North Africa.
Right.
And they were shipped to places like South Georgia and were housed through the end of the war. And these boys would work alongside them. So, you know, my former father-in-law would tell all these stories about, you know, the farmers would say, go up to the POW camp, say, I need 12 soldiers, I want to, you know, lease for the day.
Right.
And they'd have 12 men who put up their hands, and they'd go out and hoe cotton and, you know, pick peanuts and,
Oh my goodness.
and all that. And these boys worked right alongside them.
Hey, how y'all doing?
And they would trade baked goods with those POWs, because the POWs were getting these really nice Red Cross ration packages with stuff like evaporated milk and Hershey bars and things you couldn't get in a store
Yeah.
because of rationing they would have. And so the boys would, you know, their moms would bake stuff, and they'd go to the POW camp and swap, you know, and do this kind of bartering. So anyway, all that stuff's in there. And the sequel just came out. It's already winning some awards.
Amazing.
That is very, very. Are you on?
Ebook?
Yes.
Yes, yeah. If you, I've got the QR code. If you.
You've got my phone.
What's this?
Oh, okay.
All we have to do is just get a picture of it. We should be good, okay? Alrighty.
Yeah, but that really sounds interesting.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah, I appreciate it.
Thank you.
Neat.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Yes.
I always wanted to build one of these.
Mm-hmm.
I don't think it would be that hard. Just steaming the wood would be the hard part. I didn't see no apple jelly up there anywhere. Yeah, didn't see it none. What? Chunky apple butter.
I did this morning.
Okay.
I thought it was toward the end. What, you know?
I have regular apple jelly. And 1 apple jelly right here.
Oh my goodness.
Yep, it's the made with Granny Smith apples is here, and then Red Delicious apples is here.
He's getting him some apple jelly. I've been looking everywhere in the grocery store for it.
How much? $7. $7. I just have to have $7. Okay. You're good. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Neighbor friend. Yeah, more the merrier. We'd love to have them. All right.
What do we have here?
Would you like a cookie?
Always. Always like cookies.
Trick question of the day, right?
Yeah.
Would you like one too?
Certainly.
How are you guys?
Fine, how are y'all?
Getting better by the minute.
A cookie always helps.
It
Yeah, for sure.
I like those, but
This one.
no, I can't hold on to my hat and earrings too. I would like those. Okay. Do you take cards? Yes. Good, because I think he's finished cash.
Uh-oh, I dropped it. Thank you, sir.
Absolutely.
They're very light. See, they're flying. There you go. Thank you.
Okay,
Yeah,
you're from Gainesville. so-
Oh, okay. If you're ever around and looking for more earrings, you see the store Lily Rose?
Yes.
I have a display there with a lot more jewelry there, too.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
They're made from wood roots.
Wood roots. You're kidding.
No.
How in the world do you make those from wood roots?
She says that they come to her and then she either paints them or dyes them.
Well, I came with some friends. Oh, good. They were here. I was just
They are gorgeous.
at community cafe. Oh, yeah. So every once in a while, I'm like, hey, Beth. It's just like,
I still like the little, like
I do too. I like that one
you
too.
too, because we were walking by, so I was like, hey, ho, come on, hey, ho, let's go, Cumming, Georgia.
I guess it's fine.
As long as it doesn't turn into a kite, you know,
Yeah.
you're okay.
Yeah, exactly.
little bit.
I give this place 5 stars.
5 stars.
Oh, quilts. So,
Hello.
How are y'all?
Fine, how are you?
good. You notice
Candles stop.
national championship Georgia Bulldogs, $100. Alabama, 40. Nothing can dim the light that shines within you. You know, I walked right by without even reading anything.
Oh, really?
I'm not good.
Well, on his legs, clothing. So he just right.
These are nice.
Thank you.
So do you do the screen printing too? Or? Oh my goodness. So you have an online store, you got cards?
I do, yeah.
Yeah.
So you scan the QR code on the back here.
Great.
Join the website.
Thank
you.
Thank you. But you don't think you can have
other
enough
house-
baskets?
No, I don't. In my other house, I had them hanging from the kitchen and dining room to the ceiling.
Oh.
Because
Well-
I had all these baskets.
Right.
And I wanted to show them all.
She has this ledge around the top of her family room that has a light inset there, and so she had baskets all the way around. But my daughter, this is her booth, she has handmade all the baskets and even does special orders if you don't see a color that you want.
Right.
So feel free to browse. We have candle baskets and what's this? To me, this is a candy basket.
Candy basket.
It's a napkin basket. I love this.
Yes,
It's unique.
it is.
And we have it in this too, which is real antler.
Oh.
Her husband is a hunter, and so he
Yeah.
brings back to the sheds, you know.
Well, she figured out something to do with them.
So Michelle's going to make her one.
Yeah, I think that would be gorgeous.
But there's Michelle now.
Oh, hi. I just
daughter,
tell.
Michelle.
This is my weakness baskets, and he knows that. My kitchen in our other house and little dining area, I had baskets hanging from the ceiling.
Oh, wow.
Because I had so many, and I thought I want, to display them, and so
Josephine's having a hard time staying up there.
Display them at my house too.
I love them, and I particularly like this one. I said
Thank
some
you.
flowers in that would be so pretty.
This is the one that sells most on my Etsy shop.
Well, I got a card.
This one.
Right.
I sell probably more.
Oh
Oh, good save.
Hey, you're back.
no! I'm back for the hard scrabble road.
Can I put your name in it?
Certainly, it's Carol.
E on the end or no E?
No E.
Hey, how y'all doing?
I'm there every year. I've been there for 5 years. Yeah. Yes.
You can do cash. Well, I hope you live, and if
Oh, I'm
you like
sure
it, the
will.
sequel is waiting for you.
Okay.
Yes.
You can get it on
Sounds
Amazon.
so interesting. I can't wait.
Thank y'all so much.
Let me know what you think of it.
Will do. Yeah, not today. Oh, isn't that pretty? Little miniature collie.
Oh, yes. Oh, he is. He's so...
So cute. One thing we learned today, don't always believe your weatherman. Because it was supposed to be rainy, it was just windy. So I hope you enjoyed this session. If you did, please hit that subscribe button. It doesn't cost anything at all, and it really does help us out. And give us a thumbs up if this is something that you like. So until next time, we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.